but move, yeah, feeling the beat. We're dancing, dancing in the breeze, laughing loud, feeling so free. Spin around like the world's a dream. Life's a party, come join the team. Oh, 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 we're dancing in the breeze. Grab your friends, let's make the day bright. Jump into the music, everything's right. The sun's up high and we're chasing the fun underneath the sky. Yeah, we're all as one. We're dancing, dancing in the breeze, laughing loud, feeling so free. Spin around like the world's a dream. Life's a party, come join the team. Oh, 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 we're dancing in the breeze. Grab your friends, let's make the day bright. Jump into the music, everything's right. The sun's up high and we're chasing the fun underneath the sky. Yeah, we're all as one. We're dancing, dancing in the breeze, laughing loud, feeling so free. Spin around like the world's a dream. Life's a party, come join the team. Oh, 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 we're dancing in the breeze.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? We got a fun one today for y'all. This will take text to song. Text. Let's call it text to song. So how this works is it's going to be using GoAPI.ai as an API to call something called, they're calling it Suno. I think it's based on something called Chirp. And at 4 cents, you generate 2 songs using Chirp version 3.5. So that's about 2 cents a song. And it takes as variables here the lyrics, and you could put tags. That's probably the easiest 2 things to mess with here. And other stuff you can just leave it as is unless you want to play with them. But you can continue clips and stuff like that. Another thing to mention, you want to put your API key right here. To get your API key, just go to your make an account with GoAPI.ai. On your dashboard, move this out of the way. Go to my API keys. You want to create a key here. You have to store this in a safe place because you can't copy it from here. If you lose it, you have to reset the key, which means anything you have connected, you have to reconnect with a new API key. Okay, so, and that's pretty much the gist of it. So you put in your lyrics and your tags, and you run it and it creates a song for you. What it outputs is actually, let me show you what it outputs. Here's the data, and the clips. It'll generate 2 clips. It'll give you 4 links, right? There's a video URL which creates, you saw, I'll put a demo at the beginning of this video so you've seen what that looks like. The audio URL would just be the song in MP3. And there's 2 images, one regular and one large. That's the image that's used for the video. It's like an AI generated image. So you could grab those if you want as well. With this scenario, we're grabbing just the large image. So we grab the large image, the audio song, and the video that it creates, and then we upload it to Google Drive. And this is kind of what it looks like. When you get the copy of this, it'll be a sample song with lyrics. I just used ChatGPT to create some lyrics for me and some tags. And so the values I in here will create that. If you rerun it, it will create a similar song. So it looks something like this, right? It'll give you two copies, remember, of the song. Each song copy will be unique, but using the same lyrics and same tags. And you get 2 images, 2 songs, and 2 videos. That's the gist of it. So if you want to go into the details of how this works, it's very much just an API call. That's really all it is in essence. Right here, in order for this to be flexible, if you want to just start putting random stuff here and not break down, if I put this here normally in a JSON string, it'll break the string because it's between quotes already. And also these carry returns, pressing return like this would break the string. So I just added a module that'll protect you from that. Pardon me, congested. That's what this module is doing, right? Otherwise, we're just taking lyrics and the tags and we're running it. Oh, we create a title here. We want to title it, so we're just taking the lyrics we put in here and running a prompt. They'll output a title. I tend to output it as a JSON object because it's more reliable. It's just I don't have to deal with it. Either you could do it that way and then parse JSON, or you could kind of do it like how we did here and transform to JSON. Either way is sort of like error handling. Also, I've more and more have been doing stuff like this, just adding like a break and do how many attempts do I want to try? Let's say 6 attempts, and let's wait 5 minutes between each attempt. Just reduces the chance of it breaking down. Oh, when you do that, you have to go over here and allow storing of incomplete executions. That removes the error there. Okay, so let's save that. Also, forgot to mention, I added notes here so you know what these variables that are in here, what they are. Lyrics tags, blah, blah, blah. Pretty straightforward. Right, so once we got the variables we need and a title created, then we're just gonna make a post to their endpoint, to their API right here, which will start the job. I also tried to label these things correctly. You know, so it's easy to understand. Post to start music job. These are where we're waiting. Ideally, again, it's something you'd want to like loop here and check every, I don't know, 10 seconds until it's ready. But this is just a long wait. This is a 3-minute wait right here. All right. You can change the wait. I think it takes between 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. So if you want to change that variable, though, it's also here and down here, the sleep delay. And so it'll do that wait. When our wait is done, we're going to check to get the details of the job, which will give us this data right here that we need. These clips, I mean. All right, these are 2 clips. Now these change. This give me a headache here. These collection labels right here, they change. So, an example with somebody named Paul in our community, we were able to deal with that using a keys function. All right, so we're just now also going to create a folder for the song. It's just going to be based on the title. The title, and I add timestamp just in case, you know, to add some more randomness to it. So we use this iterator, this version of an iterator, to get those unique labels. And we're going to save the extracted path right here. And then we're going to use a router just to get the 3 of the links that were created. And that's it. And again, then it uploads it. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a very fun one. Obviously, this could be integrated into other solutions. You would just either add a module here or replace this module, and pretty easy to to adapt to whatever scenario you want the way I set it up. And hope you enjoy it. Take care and bye.